Woo! Alright guys, welcome back to Union Pacific Railroad Lines. By me, photography is the Kiamichi Railroad in Alabama, Oklahoma, USA guys. Alright guys, welcome back to the Hot Rails Union Pacific Railroad. Hope y'all like this video guys. I couldn't do a video last night, my phone shut off on me, so hard up comments. There was a second chance to film them again, so I was walking and I barely couldn't make it, so I started filming the train just right there by that road right there. So I got a good shot of it and stuff like that guys. But welcome back railroad fans. Hope y'all like my video. Don't forget to link, rate, comment, subscribe, and all. Alright guys, if you kind of think bicyclists in Texas should stop at a red light going across, or known as there's no signal for a bicyclist at a crosswalk, should it be where a bicyclist shouldn't do that, and should the person who hit you, who should have seen you, is liable from your bike? Rate, comment, and subscribe. Leave me comments if you think Texas doesn't have to do that in their laws or anything like that guys. But I'm from Oklahoma guys, and while I was at the crosswalk, I looked both ways, and then this guy pulled into the turn lane and he turned right in front of me. But he was a good man though. But really, I think bicyclists should have the right of way at a crossing walk, especially when it involves with intersections and stuff like that But that's me guys. But if y'all think that too in Texas, just tell me, because I looked to pay attention, and then he kept on coming, and he said he slowed down, but if he would have slowed down, he would have stopped and barely nipped my tire. But now my tire's bent. Now I can't never get up here and film the train in time unless I'm up here. So guys, I really do not like Texas laws. I don't mind living here and stuff like that, but if y'all ever want to help me fight the Texas laws of where bicycles should have the right of ways, please rate and comment below. Alright guys, Marshall out. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching the Pacific Railroad Lines by Marshall and me. Photography is Kiamichi Railroad, owned by the Genesee and Wyoming Corporations. Woo! Catch you guys later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching the Pacific Railroad, Union Pacific Railroad Lines on the Hot Rails. Bye now.